My name is architect CATHY SALDANA, and today I will discuss with you sustainable design and PROPTECH. We are on the cusp of the future. We are looking at where we are in design, in master planning, in architecture, in engineering. There is that willful and purposeful intent to make sure that our structures and buildings, be it affordable housing or a high-end resort, all of these must be sustainable and meant to be structures for the future. For as long as we have the thrust towards environment and a clear delineation of all our roles, we will always have technology at our fingertips. And this mastery will allow us to properly work on the built environment with appropriate sustainable design towards PROPTECH. Real estate and properties, development and technology. Where are we going? From solar power to wind, water and hydraulic energy, renewables, even waste management. All of these require the use of technology and the proper design in order to merge both intention, vision, with engineering and future available tools and methods. We look at energy in all its forms, and we also look at water. These are the two most critical components of any real estate property development, and in both cases, technology will play a very vital role. It is important for us to gear for the future. 2030 is fast approaching, and the United Nations has ruled out that every country must have its goals outlined for it, and our visions also set for 2050. And in all of these, we have energy metering, we have tools, we have methodologies, we have various utilization procedures and processes that take a big role in design. And if you put together all of these, that synergy will lead you towards digitization, global tech, and a proper and higher valuation of your real estate. And whenever you're planning, work with an architect. Get an architect and an engineer to work with you on master planning, environmental and urban planning, and appropriate design. We see green building certifications, and we find that their importance must be overemphasized, not only because they document the materials and the processes that took place in creating that structure, but it also gives us a guideline, a benchmark, and a standard on which we build. Here in the Philippines, I am so proud that I am a part of the Philippine Green Building Council and a BERDE certified professional. BERDE is building for ecologically responsive design excellence in our country, and it is aligned with all other international standards for documentation and certification. And this will allow us to yield ourselves towards PROPTECH for now and for the future. The Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations, very important indeed for us to see and understand in its simplified forms all of these 17 goals, and to keep to mind that when we build number 11, we are aiming towards sustainable cities and communities using number 7, affordable and clean energy, leading towards decent work and economic growth, understanding the environment on life below water and life on land, and moving forward, not just for the built environment, not just for the structures that we provide, but ultimately for the people.